COVID-19 is a very dangerous virus, but some people don't care because of the lack of knowledge. Let's learn and fight together. English Education Unimus 2019 and Mrs. Testiana present a little knowledge about coronavirus.
Corona is a perilous virus which fatally attacks human system immune all over the world.
The spread of this virus is very fast.
The virus causes chaos in the world and it can attack the respiratory tract.
Coronavirus can be affected by allergies.
Coronavirus can survive in inanimate objects for about 10 hours.
It is a small component but can increase the distance.
The new coronavirus can be spread from person to person.
This virus can also cause death.
It can infect humans within a period of 40 days when the hands contaminated by the virus and touch the face, such as mouth, nose, and eyes.
In those 14 days, humans infected with coronavirus will experience symptoms such as itchy tooth, cough, fever, and shortness of breath.
Incidence of are 38 Celsius, fever and dry cough and shortness breath.
It is diagnosed with a laboratory test.
Furthermore, based on the research, symptoms of COVID-19 appear within 2 days to 2 weeks after exposure to the coronavirus.
This virus can cause a disease which many countries call it COVID-19 disease because it emerged in China in December 2019 with a growing number of deaths.
COVID-19 was a non-natural disaster that many states could not have predicted.
COVID-19 is much more than a health crisis.
By stressing every one of the countries it touches,
It has the potential to create devastating social, economic, and political crises that will leave deep scars.
It causes the country's economy become unstable.
In addition, it also makes some countries implement policies to enforce lockdown in order to prevent the spread of coronavirus.
Now, over 17 million cases and 4,100 people healed, and then 100,000 people dead due to coronavirus.
This virus can also be prevented from several predetermined steps.
First, to prevent the spread of coronavirus, wash your hand with soap that contains an antiseptic.
Second, eat nutritious, healthy food to increase body immunity and consume vitamin C.
We also keep the body immunity not to be weak by exercising, eating healthy food, and not sleep too late.
If our body immune system is not strong, we can get coronavirus.
First, we must strictly adhere to social protection guidelines.
It means to keep doing activities at home, avoiding public transportation, and avoiding contact outside the home.
Fourth, remember to use mask when we go outside.
Last, please don't be panic about corona. Stay healthy and stay home.
All in all, in order to avoid contracting the coronavirus,
we should regulate our lifestyle by doing well and regularly in the house.
And
following the government's recommendations so that the coronavirus doesn't spread everywhere.
For example, in Indonesia, the government implemented SPP application as preventive and curative action.
Further, the need for cooperation from all parties to deal with the coronavirus by not blaming each other.
Now, for more than 100 days, the coronavirus has changed the face of the world.